Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to fry some Kerala banana or Nendra banana. Now the ingredients I am using for this is Maida, rice flour, salt, turmeric powder. For the sweetening I am using palm candy powder. If you're not using this, you can use sugar, and I'm using coconut oil to fry the bananas in. So first I am going to slice the banana. You can also take the whole banana and fry it. Now I have taken two banana, one is ripe and one is a bit raw. Some people prefer raw, but I prefer it to be more ripe because that kind of adds to the sweetness of the banana fry, and also you don't have to add a lot of sugar. Take the banana, cut it into two halves, and then again cut it into two. Now what happens here is you need to make sure that the slice of the banana is not too thick, because then it's difficult for the banana to get cooked. So I am just making one more slice of this because this was too thick. So I have made this, say, 1/4 of an inch thickness. So this is the thickness. So guys, I've taken a bowl. I'm going to add Maida, about a cup I have taken Maida, a tablespoon of rice flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric, and I'm adding the palm candy powder. Now this you can add to your taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of palm candy powder, and add the water little by little so that you can judge the consistency, and keep stirring it so that you don't get any lumps in the batter. I have mixed the batter to this consistency. Now at this point you can check for your sweetness. If you're fine with it, you're ready to fry the banana in this batter. Remember that the banana is also sweet, so you don't want to make your batter too sweet as well. I'm going to dip the banana into the batter, and you can see how it coats the banana. It is not too liquidy that it drips off from the banana, nor is it too thick. It's just fine. It's a very thin coating of the batter. Now this you can fry it in the coconut oil. Now how do you check if the oil is hot? Just put a drop of the batter. Just take a little bit, a drop, and when you pour it in the oil, if it is still at the bottom of the oil, then the oil needs to get heated some more. If it floats on top, then yes, the oil is heated. So now it is slowly coming to the surface of the oil, so you know that the oil is nice and hot. Now I'm going to dip the banana in the batter. Just tap it so that the excess batter comes off, and then slide it into the oil. Be very careful because the oil is very hot. So you can put in 2 or 3 based on the size of your kadai. I'm just frying 2 for now. I've increased the flame. You will fry the banana till it reaches a nice golden brown on both the sides. So it will take about 5 minutes or so. Don't put too many of the pieces in one go because it is going to stick to each other. It's about 2 minutes now. I'm going to just flip the banana to the other side. As you can see, it is lightly turning brown. You don't want it to be burned, so just a light shade of brown. Now I just wanted to share something, that is, if you want the typical Kerala taste to this banana fry, it's essential that you use coconut oil because that is what gives you the Kerala touch. And another point is the 1 tablespoon of rice flour what you add to the batter, that is what makes the the fry nice and crisp. Now you can see the other side is also turned light brown, and now it is done. So here you have the banana fry. Now I'm going to put this in a plate with tissue so that the excess oil kind of gets absorbed, and I'm going to fry rest of the bananas and come back. This is how crispy and soft it is in the inside. Having a hot banana fry with a cup of coffee. Guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.